This is a Chucky Beat production.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Joe from Petty Fixes. It's been quite some time since I posted a video. I've had a lot of stuff going on in my life. Just recently had a son. I've got all kinds of other things going on with work and stuff, but I can't let that stuff deter me from getting back to you all with some goodness. So just give you all an update on what's going on with my rig and everything. I kind of switched my setup to the other side of the room. As you can see, I got a monitor arm now, so now there's not that gaudy stand, and it's a pretty good monitor stand. I actually like it. Monitor arm, it's pretty clean, it's real simple. There's not much really to say about it really, except for the fact that I love the fact that it keeps everything off my desk, and it keeps my monitor off my desk. It looks really clean and it's really nice. Excuse me. I'm actually trying to get a cohesive ecosystem going on. So since the last time I posted this video, Corsair has actually released a new software that bundles their Link and their iCue software all in one, and I'm actually testing it out right now. So as you can see, I got the Corsair, the K65 gaming keyboard, I got the M800 mouse pad, it's all dusty and stuff, excuse me. I got the K65 or the M65 mouse, and I have Corsair's LED products in my case. About this case, I got something new coming up for y'all. Might surprise some of y'all, but I definitely plan on doing a crazy Corsair build coming up. But I have Corsair's Lighting Node Pro and their LEDs inside of this case right here. This is my build by Intermax. Intermax, I greatly thank you all for helping me get this channel off the ground. But that's really not what I'm here to talk about. What I'm here to talk about is this, the Commander Pro. Now I want to talk about the Commander Pro because it's something I've really been wanting to try out, that's going to help me get all of my fans and my lights and stuff all in one little unit instead of having multiple units in my case. I haven't unboxed this yet, so what I'm going to do for you all today is I'm actually going to unbox it and show you all exactly what comes in the box for this right now. Alright, so here we go. I got it open. Let's set this to the side over here. Let's go ahead and check out this thing. Now this is the actual unit itself that you will be using to control everything with. This is the hub. This is the Commander Pro hub. Now I haven't unwrapped this thing yet to actually be able to show you all the portion. You probably can't see through it, but I can, so I'll just tell you what I see. There's 6 fan hubs. These control either the SP120s or the HD120s. I have the HD120s myself personally. Now I like the HD120s because they're really bright. So that's that. Then there's 2 LED channels. This is what you can find on the Lighting Node Pro. So it's all that stuff combined into one. If you were to buy the HD120s or SP120s, they come with like a small little hub that controls up to 6 fans. Then you have to buy a separate Lighting Node Pro to control up to 2 channels, 2 LED channels. So this combines all that stuff into one. Next, I see temperature ports. So I guess they come with like temperature probes. And then there's 2 USB 2.0 hubs. So this actually takes up one with this cable right here. This is a USB 2.0 hub. So it takes up one, but it also adds 2. So that's a good thing. That's really about it. It's powered by SATA. And the USB is what's to be controlled by the Corsair iCue software, so or the Link software, whichever one it uses. But I've been using the iCue lately, so I'm going to assume it's controlled by that. But yeah, that's the unit itself. That's what the unit looks like. Let's open up the rest of the box. Looks like we got some paperwork, just some random stuff, tells you how to use it, hook everything up. You got your warranty information. And you got the warranty guide and stuff like that from Corsair. And then here's the Commander Pro. I have trouble getting this thing out of here. The Commander Pro user guide, apparently. So we don't use instructions here on Petty Fixes. We figured it all out by ourselves. So this is pretty much that. And then we have underneath all that, like we have the cables. So looks like we got some temperature probes. We got some temperature probes here. Pretty nice. I'm glad they include this stuff because normally a lot of manufacturers won't include this kind of stuff. And then it looks like we got some link cables. So if you want to link up a Lighting Node Pro or something like that and have an extension wire, you can. Then you got fan extensions. So these are extensions for your SP or HD 120 fans. But yeah, that's pretty much all it is. That's all there is to it when it comes to that. So yeah, man, that's really all I wanted to talk about. I don't have much else to talk about really. Just want to give you all a quick update on my setup and everything I got going on. I've been investing pretty heavily in my my lighting, because I know the lighting on my videos have been off. So I do actually have a big giant light thing now. So I got 3 of them. So my lighting in my videos is going to be a lot more clear. Everything's going to be a lot more crisp. And I will be having a new build coming soon involving, let me pull it out, this, the 1700X. I got a client build coming up. And then I also have this sexy ROG Strix X370i gaming motherboard. It's really nice. I took it out of the box. I checked it out already. I should do an unboxing on this already also, so I can show you all what it looks like, but really haven't had the chance to. So if you think I should, just leave a comment below. Tell me if you think I should or not. But I got a client build coming up in a small form factor PC, so it's going to be really nice. But that's it for today, guys. If you like what I do on my channel, drop me a like, subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers, guys, because it's going to help me bring a lot more content to the channel. So this is Joe from Petty Fixes. I'm out.